during my way to the court, and I am in jail, right? What happened to me? They took me to the hospital for my bad condition. 7 hours, they try to reduce my blood sugar. 3 times they give me insulin, it's still high. They refuse to send me to the court. This is my condition, sir.
How do I know that?
I just explained to you.
Do you know how many people tell me the sky's purple?
I'm not lying, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Scott, this is Briggs for the plea,
Okay.
and Mr. Khalifi for Mr. Elick right behind you.
Coming up, guys.
Come on up.
Oh, we got it.
I'm gonna talk to you, but let him finish first.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Scott. Mr. Scott, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 90 days in jail with credit for the 27 that you've already done.
Should be. Okay.
Yeah.
That was 29, but
You should be 29.
Really? Look at that.
but I was told because it's
Going to bat for you. That's pretty cool. DA's going to bat for you, man. That's good. What?
27.
It's been 27 since October 25th, but he was initially taken in on the 7th, in July for the same charge. There was no PC and then refiled.
Okay. I'll give him 29.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Not a problem. All right. So, Mr. Scott, but regardless, you have to understand that it's going to go on your record. Have you been to the pen before? So, yeah. Next time you pick up a serious felony, it could be a 15 to life case. If you've been,
If I may, just so the court is aware, and I explained to him the ramifications, he is on parole currently for the enhancement.
Sometimes, a woman is like a piece of cancer. She'll kill you, dude. She'll absolutely kill you. How can someone get into your head so much, twirl you up so much that you lose control, no matter how small it is, to where you end up in a box for the next 3 months? Not only that, it's very possible they revoke your parole, send you back to prison now. So many other fish in the sea, just go find another release, because life's too short to live in and out of custody. You know what I mean? This applies to you, Mr. Khalifa, as well. How are you going to let someone get into your head so much so, you cut the cancer out before it kills you? How do you plead to the offense of assault family member? You also have to understand, because you're on probation or parole, this could be used to revoke that. It could result in further confinement. Is this what you want to do? You sure? Okay, man. I'm going to find you guilty. I'll send you to 90 days in jail. Is it enhanced, Greg? Do you know?
It is with a felon in possession of a weapon.
Is it true that you had that felon in possession? Okay, true to enhancement. Mr. Scott, come on, man. Life's too short. Mr. Elick. Thanks, Greg.
Your Honor, I'm approaching for on bail review for Mr. Khalifa.
Mr. Khalifa, I know that you're telling me these things, but we have a complaining witness that has been calling saying that she's terrified.
Can I say something, if you don't mind?
Okay. But remember, everything that you say, they can use it against you. Don't. Did you want to say something?
Oh, Judge, I've already kind of explained to you the continuous contact and bond violations that have been occurring. I think it's important to note that this individual had 3 warrants out at the same time. He failed to appear, obviously for the misdemeanor. For the felony, his warrant was sent out for violation of bond, violating the exclusion zone. I received calls nearly every day from the complainant telling me how scared she is, that he is continuously trying to contact her. He's canceled her credit card. He is trying to call her from blocked numbers. He is continuously violating his bond. He has stated himself that he does not care about the protective order.
I would object to hearsay, Your Honor. I know he didn't come to court. He has been sick with diabetes.
Can I say something, sir?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. As the same day I have a court, I was here, by the way, and I thought
You weren't.
Sir, can you give me second, Judge? If you don't
Sure.
mind? I wasn't here in the building. I was here around this area. My blood sugar
Doesn't count.
Can I say something? I talked to the sheriff to take me to the court. He told me just to keep going, and the bark is there and to go. I feel down, my blood sugar was so high until like maybe I get up. Some people, they broke my door to open it because I'm diabetic, it's a very bad condition. When I get up, I don't know what time, it was like 4:30. I show up at the court here, they told me it's already done. Come back Monday. When I come back Monday with my other attorney for the felony, you know what? They told me it's closed today, the court. So you don't have to be there. Just be patient until like we give you court. So I wasn't Skype, sir.
Okay, Your Honor, I will say they haven't brought him here the past 2 days.
Can I say something also too? Yesterday I have a court here, right? During my way to the court and I am in jail, right? What happened to me? They took me to the hospital for my bad condition. 7 hours, they try to reduce my blood sugar. 3 times they give me insulin, it's still high. They refuse to send me to the court. This is my condition, sir.
They want to make sure that before they bring you to court, you're in a good
See what
condition.
I'm talking about now? I'm not lying, sir. So why I escape if I have a court?
You weren't here.
Exactly, because my bad condition.
How do I know that?
What I argue you right now, to waive the bond, the fees.
Regardless, you don't come to court.
I told you what happened, sir.
How do I know that?
I just explained to you.
Do you know how many people tell me the sky's purple?
I'm not lying, sir. Because I'm very sure, even yesterday I have important court, I cannot make it, and I am here already.
Your Honor, his bond has been denied on the felony, so even if you did lower it, he's still
You see what
won't be
I'm
able to
saying?
get out unless they.
Exactly.
Felony court has revoked your bond and you're at zero bond.
That's zero.
Even if I were to tell you, look, go, be fancy, be free, your felony court has made you no bond. So there's nothing that we can do at this point anyways.
No, just to waive the fee. And I have another thing about what she was telling you, sir. Yeah, I have the approval. All of this is a scam, by the way, because I'm the one he got message, very scary message.
I would like to know, do you have, other than her word, any kind of documentation, any kind of evidence to show that he is violating conditions of his bond? Because I would like to see it. Because I would like to show it to Mr. Khalifa if in fact you have something.
Correct.
I have screenshots from the complaint, so if I may kind of explain, it's a little complex. So they're still
interrupt.
legally
Finish.
married, they're still legally married, they're on the same insurance plan.
We are not in insurance plan. We are not legally married. I applied for
Please,
divorce.
Khalifa,
I'm sorry,
if you
I'm sorry,
let them
I'm sorry.
talk, I will have to pull you out of
Okay,
this
I'm so
court.
sorry. I'm not gonna talk no
Do
more.
that.
I promise you. I'm not gonna talk no more.
Control
I promise you.
self. This tells me if you're incapable of controlling yourself, this tells me a lot about you.
Just because my bad, the blood stop. I'm not talking no more.
So the two are still legally married, that shared an insurance plan. While he was on bond, he called to amend it to raise the rate and then have all of the money for the insurance plan taken out of her account. Now that would only be permissible, obviously, by one of the holders of the plan. She did not do it. I have screenshots of that from her judge. I have a lot of evidence that she's sent me, provided me. I understand that it's hard for you to believe if it's like block numbers. I understand your hesitation with that.
Show me. I mean, if you have block numbers, if you have 50 block numbered calls, that's something, because that's not something that would normally happen. Well, I get a lot of calls from scammers and crap, right? But I mean, if you get 50 block calls in a very short amount of time, I know that's Morgan, you don't have to do it just this very minute, right? But I would like it like really, really soon.
Absolutely.
And what I want to come back within maybe a day or two, and I'm going to show him, look, this is what we have. This is what we don't have. If we don't have anything, then, but I understand if she's scared, but show me the money. I want to see what you have.
Just, can we move it till Friday? And then
Sure, of
if
course.
the state can send that to me too?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
But I want to know why is she so scared? Why? You're itching to say something else. What did you want to say?
Remember when she said I destroy her car?
No, I don't remember that.
Yeah.
We're not getting it.
I want to see the video.
Okay.
You will.
The video has been uploaded and shared.
You will.
Okay.
And everything that they have, you will get to
But
see.
you promised me you dismiss it if I didn't touch her car.
I'm not going to promise you.
I
What are you,
didn't touch
you
her
crazy?
car.
I can't dismiss
I
something.
did not touch it.
Okay.
If that is the fact, then the evidence will point to whose side is correct. I don't know.
Just stand by her mirror.
But you have to understand that it takes time to get
I
evidence.
understand.
And we will get it. And as soon as Mr. Elick gets it, he's going to show it to
Just
you.
argue for the bond, make
Okay,
it reduce.
We're
please.
gonna come back.
First talk to felony court because you're at no bond over there. And then if you get something in felony court, come back and we can talk.
Your Honor, do you want to move this case to Friday? Or?
Yeah. Whatever you want. I mean, if you want to tomorrow, Thursday, whatever you want, I'm happy to do.
I see you put videos on YouTube for me.
I don't.
Yeah, you show it to me
I live
yesterday.
stream so that the whole world gets to see
You're
how.
being famous, me and you now.
Okay.
No, I'm just.
Mr. Scott. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Look forward to
sir.
Khalid.
See you Friday.
Take care.
Let's do it.